Hello, I'm Pat O'Hare, Chief Market Analyst for Briefing.com. Today is Monday, September 8th. Monday marked a sharply higher and volatile start to the trading week, fueled by the federal government's takeover of mortgage giants Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. The S&P 500 ended the session with a large 2.1% gain following a late session surge in buying interest. 8 of the 10 economic sectors advanced in heavy trading volume. The NASDAQ Composite, up 0.6%, trailed its counterparts, largely due to the underperformance of large-cap technology stocks. With regard to the bailout, the Treasury determined that Fannie and Freddie did not have adequate capital, prompting the federal government's intervention because the organizations are believed to be too big to fail. The companies will be placed under a conservatorship, and the Treasury will provide up to $200 billion in capital. The potential taxpayer cost of the bailout has not been determined. The takeover of Fannie and Freddie come at the expense of common and preferred stock shareholders. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac shares fell 90% and 83% respectively on the view that little or no equity will be left for common stock shareholders. Financials as a whole rose 4.6%, however, benefiting from the belief that the bailout will ease the current credit market turmoil. There were some notable financial laggards, though. Lehman Brothers gave up an early advance on continued speculation that the company needs capital. Washington Mutual fell 6% after it reported early in the morning that it ousted its CEO and agreed to give more updates to its regulator. Stocks related to the housing market saw the largest gains. The Home Building Group up 11.6%, and Building Products Group up 8.4%, and Home Improvement Retail Group up 5.6% all rallied. Some of the largest technology companies came under selling pressure on no specific catalyst, which caused the tech sector to underperform on a relative basis. Google, Oracle, and Apple all declined in Monday's session. The stock market saw some volatile action after headlines crossed the wires that incorrectly said UAL Corp, parent company of United Airlines, filed for bankruptcy protection. UAL quickly said the report was false, saying the report came from a 2002 article. Shares of UAL fell as much as 76% and then recovered to a loss of 11% for the session. In corporate news, Boeing posted a gain despite news that the aerospace company was unable to reach a labor agreement with its largest union on wages, pensions, job security, and health care costs. As a result, 26,800 machinists have gone on strike. Altria Group, the largest U.S. cigarette company, is acquiring smokeless tobacco manufacturer UST for $69.50 per share, or $11.7 billion, including debt. In commodity trading, crude oil settled nearly unchanged at $106.26 per barrel after climbing as much as 3.5% in earlier trade on speculation of Hurricane Ike's potential impact on Gulf of Mexico production. The retreat from session highs coincided with gains in the dollar, which rose 0.6% against a basket of world currencies. I'm Pat O'Hare for Briefing.com. Thanks for listening, and have a good evening.